understand and fully implement the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, we resolve to: number one, adapt an increasingly active role both locally and globally, advocating for, working for and supporting sustainable societies in the current context of profound social, political, economic and cultural crisis. Number two, invigorate the concept of engaged Buddhism by actively and positively seeking the participation of international institutions. Number three, validate the Buddhist approach as a complementary paradigm for achieving peaceful ideals and understanding universal values. Number four, advocate Buddhist philosophy for exploring the changing character and context and as spiritual guidance for global governance. Number five, recognize the Buddhist-based framework of international action as a set of feasible, agreeable agreement for the overall well-being, development and progress of all sentient beings. Number five, avow the greatness of Buddhism in contemporary times. Article number 2. In order to promote the notion of shared responsibilities, we resolve to: number one, build a provocative and well-weaved foundation for interaction by identifying the significant roles of Buddhist communities around the world. Number two, support each one's expertise on the basis of Buddhist principles for the benefit of each other. Number three, extend the ideas of compassion, considerate action, and support to help the people beyond Buddhist communities without any discrimination on the basis race, creed, religion, and gender. Number four, emphasize the important individual's responsibility and the shared collective. Number five, collaborate with international agencies at different levels of responsibility for the attainment of Buddhism's ultimate goal to end suffering. Number six, propagate the Buddha's 5 ethical precepts and promote the active participation of local communities to transform them into sustainable goals as a basis of shared responsibilities toward better living conditions worldwide. Number three, in order to create sustainable societies, we resolve to: number one, utilize the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path as a foundational approach to sustainable societies. Number two, create interdependence among several communities by recognizing the teachings of Buddha for promoting maximum human potential in a sustainable manner. Number 3, revitalize the integration of 3 Buddhist pillars of development, namely environmental protection, economic prosperity, and social justice. Article number 4. In order to make peace in the light of mindful leadership, we resolve to, number 1, emphasize dialogue and non-violent approaches for peace building, contrary to the old paradigm that the physically stronger always wins over the weaker. Number 2, encourage the notions of wisdom and compassion as the basis for any conflict avoidance and resolutions. Number 3, acknowledge the fundamental importance of mindful leadership, relation to instruction in individual and social ethics in contributing to peacemaking, specifically seeking the settlement of conflict, respect for life, ending of violence, and practice of loving kindness, non-violence through dialogue and cooperation. Article number 5. In order to create sustainable societies, we resolve to, number 1, acknowledge the contemporary transformation in family structures and social systems and promote Buddhist principles of harmonious communication to achieve harmonious families, better healthcare service, and sustainable societies. Number 2, evaluate the effect of healthy living and facilitate the Buddhist healthy living program by applying Buddhist meditation techniques. Number 3, teach the Buddhist 5 ethical precepts as part of the school curriculum from 8 to 12 grade to advocate for the concept of healthy living and harmonious families. Number 4, promote the spirit of the 5 ethical precepts in the justice system as the basis for rehabilitation of interactive individuals. Article number 6. In order to improve the global system of education, we resolve to, number 1, reaffirm that the ultimate goal of Buddhist education in ethics is to liberate a person from its own ego and sufferings. Number 2, propagate the Buddhist concept of impermanence and non-self in global education for betterment of the world to fight against greed, anger, and ignorance. Number 3, combine the tenets of Buddhism with psychology and philosophy in education as a way to examine the issues of ethics and ethics itself. Number 4, incorporate Buddhist ethical principles into national systems of education at all levels. Number 5, encourage the integration of wisdom and compassion in creating for environment, cultivating synergetic effect among individuals, schools, and communities. Article number 7. With the help of digital platform, we resolve to, number 1, urge Dhamma teachers to take advantage of the 4th Industrial Revolution to modernize Buddhist science of mind studies for human healings and transformation by using robotic artificial intelligence, sensors, and vision. Number 2, integrate Buddhist practices with technology like mindfulness-based computer and phone application for meditation. Number 3, advocate for continued research in the field of artificial intelligence as a tool to allow humans more free time to perform higher level and meaningful tasks, but not to replace human interaction, innovation, and critical decision making. Number 4, apply Buddhist philosophy in furthering the understanding of a world run by algorithm. Article number 8. With renewed awareness of the fundamental importance of Buddhist approach in enabling growth, we resolve to, number 1, propagate the life story of the Buddha as one who spent most of his life in harmony with nature, with more of a need-based than greed-based engagement for the betterment of the environment. Number 2, promote a vegetarian lifestyle for nourishment of loving kindness for animals and protection of the environment. Number 3, collaborate with business leaders in developing alternative and sustainable food sources without relying on animal protection. Article number 9. In conclusion and cognizance of the need for fundamental shift in policy among numerous and diverse stakeholders, we resolve to, number 1, request that these well-considered fundings be incorporated into the new program of the UN Sustainable Development Goal. Number 2, herald that it is time for the world community to begin in honest reflection about the Buddhist solution and its utilization in today's rapidly changing world. Number 3, proclaim that Buddhist ethics have cultural value to contribute to the development of a more compassionate society and are capable of building sustainable, equitable, and caring political systems, economies, and societies. Number 4, advocate that the Buddhist community can become a valuable partnership for achieving the UN Sustainable Development Goal. Number 5, request that world leaders collaborate with Buddhists to develop systems that universally encourage the attainment of full socio-economic and compassionate potential and thereby create a world